Spatchcock is a method of preparing either chicken or turkey in which the backbone is removed so the bird can lay flat. Prepping it this way results in a much faster cook time, but you'll still end up getting that extra crispy skin. I'm going to be spatchcocking a chicken today, but if you'd like, you can also use this exact same technique to spatchcock a turkey as well. Place a 3 to 4 pound whole chicken on a cutting board, with the breast facing downwards and the spine upwards. In order to easily cut through the ribs and the skin, you're going to need a pair of kitchen shears. If you don't already have some, you can normally find them in most grocery stores or purchase them online. I'll be sure to link to the pair that I'm using here today. Using the shears, cut along both sides of the spine across the length of the bird. Try to stay as close as possible to the backbone to avoid cutting too much into the ribs or the meat. If you end up slicing into one of the bones, it's not a big deal. Just go back into the skin and keep cutting. Flip the chicken over and lay it flat on the cutting board. Press down with the heels of your hands to crack the ribs and flatten the bird. You may hear a little cracking as you do this. Place the chicken on a wire rack that is on top of a baking sheet that has been lined with aluminum foil. Season according to your preference and bake in a preheated 425-degree oven for 40 to 50 minutes depending on its size. Chickens that are over 4 pounds may take up to 1 hour to fully cook through. And if you want to know how I like to season mine, then you have got to check out this garlic and herb spatchcock chicken recipe right over here. Thanks so much for hanging out. I will see you in the next one.